How to download and install the Beltone HearMax app. Open the App Store app by tapping the App Store icon. Tap Search in the app navigation. Enter Beltone HearMax in the search box and tap Search. Find Beltone HearMax among the search results and press Get to download and install the app. Once the app is installed, you can find it on your home screen among your other apps. It's easier to use your HearMax app if you can find it fast. A good tip is to place the app in your shortcut menu. Hold down the app icon for 1 second. Press Edit Home Screen. You will see that the app icons are moving and they can now be placed freely. Hover your finger on the Smart 3D icon and drag the app to your shortcut menu. Press Home button to lock your apps again if you're using an older iPhone, or simply press Done in the right top corner. You can now quickly open the Beltone HearMax app and easily operate your hearing aids. Beltone. Beltone Remote Care. Beltone Remote Care Live.